I'm Jonathan Tomes. I'm an attorney licensed in Illinois, Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, and their respective federal courts, including the trial bar for the Federal District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. And I'm also admitted in the 5th, 7th, 8th, 10th, and Federal Circuit Courts of Appeal, as well as the United States Supreme Court. I am a specialist in the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1990 when he or she needs health information in any type of litigation. So starting off with what is HIPAA, and I have a little fun test here, multiple choice. Is it the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996? Is it a distant relative of a hippo, a hippopotamus? Is it the cover name for the Health Lawyers Full Employment Act of 1996? Or is it a law passed by Congress that gives the Department of Health and Human Services authority to regulate health information security and privacy? Well, the probably accurate answer is 1 and 4 only. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act and the law that gives Health and Human Services this authority. But you could make a pretty good argument that it is also the Health Lawyers Full Employment Act. I certainly wouldn't mark you wrong if you had 1, 3, and 4 only. So, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996 was primarily passed by Congress to make health information transportable. Turning to the civil penalties, the first one we're going to talk about is the civil money penalties, in other words, the fines imposed by Health and Human Services under the authority of HIPAA and the HITECH Act. Before the HITECH Act, the fines weren't bad, $100 per violation, and they were capped at $25,000 for identical violations in any one calendar year. But the HITECH Act raised that $100 to $1,000 per violation if the violation is due